Hi, this video is to demonstrate how to use Google Sheets automatic synchronization to retrain the chatbot. Okay, let's go to my chatbot. Okay, click new chatbot here and let's go to Google Sheets. Let's input a Google Sheets with some products data that you have. Okay, in this case, I have a Google Sheet that I made for this demo, and let's copy the link over here and paste it and then create chatbot. It's gonna take like 1 minute to finish the training. It's pretty quick. Okay, yep. And then let's go to sources, Google Sheets. You see after you create the chatbot, all the data has been saved here. And then let's set up the auto synchronization. Go to Google Sheets settings, okay? Click auto sync. And there's a specific guide. Click the guide here. Let's go to Google Sheets settings and follow the instructions, okay? And first step is click app script and let's go to the copy of Google Sheets and go to extension app script. Okay, and we're getting into app script panel. Okay, and then let's rename the project and also set code nukes function here, right? Yeah, let's rename the project name as AutoSync Google Sheets, and you will see that under code.js there's a function which is called call new oaks function. Okay, and then go back to the instructions. Just first of all, I need to find out the your chatbot ID and replace that with your serial number and here, right? And then copy this function over to the code.js and just paste it right here and see this is the chatbot ID, which is also the serial number for this function. So let's go back to double check the chatbot ID, which is here. Go to chatbot ID, chatbot, this one, settings, and here, this is the chatbot ID. Okay, and copy it over and go here and then replace the current chatbot ID on serial number. Okay, and then go back to the instructions, Google Sheets, settings, AutoSync. Right, and then you should save the project right here. Yep, okay, let's go back to the instructions and copy it over and save the project. See here, and then run the selected function. Okay, and go back to the all app script and runs the select function. Then click review permissions. Okay, go through the whole permission review process here. Click and click advanced and go to auto sync, which is allow the auto sync Google Sheets permission. Click allow. Yeah, and then you can see the authorization is successful. Okay, all right, and let's go back to the instruction here We finish all the process and we need to add the triggers. Okay, and go back to auto sync, add the trigger, create a new trigger. Yeah, just choose call news function, head, and also from spreadsheet, select event type is on change. So whenever there's a change on the data of the Google Sheets, it's gonna trigger the sync event and notify me immediately. Okay, and then click save. Okay, let's do save again. Yeah, it still need to go through the whole review process. Okay, and click the count in advanced and the authorize auto sync. So both the trigger and the event need to authorize. Allow. Okay. Then you should be all set. Okay, let's go back and check. Yeah, and then let's verify data synchronization. And go to the data here. And don't forget to click the save button. Okay. And let's add a new row of data here. So from the backend, you can see that after training, all the data from Google Sheets has been saved to the knowledge base and trained the chatbot. Okay, let's add a new row of data. Let's copy a dummy data from another file. Let's copy the row 10. Okay, and copy it over and paste to this copy of Google Sheets samples. Okay, let's see whether it should be automatically synchronized. Let's go to here and click refresh button. Yep, and go back to Google Sheets. Okay, then after a couple of minutes, if you click the refresh button of the web page, you will see that Hugging Face URL data has been updated on the backend of the dashboard, which is knowledge base of the chatbot. Okay, and then let's go to chatbot, and if you ask what is Hugging Face, it will tell you Hugging Face is an AI community platform, blah 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 blah. And if you click the URL of Hugging Face, it's gonna direct you to the huggingface.co's official website. Okay, so this is the demonstration of Google Sheet data synchronization to the chatbot. Thank you.